Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium at home. First, let's get acquainted with your instrument. Understand its main components, such as the bellows and the keyboard. Position your harmonium on a sturdy surface, ensuring it is at a comfortable height for you to sit. Maintain good posture, sitting upright with relaxed shoulders, as this will greatly aid your playing and breathing technique. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth learning experience. Next, we focus on the heart of the harmonium, the bellows. Learning to pump them smoothly and consistently is essential for producing a continuous sound. Apply steady pressure to ensure an even tone, avoiding sudden jerks. Practice controlling the airflow to vary the volume from a soft whisper to a full, resonant sound. This technique allows you to add expression and dynamics to your music, making it much more engaging. Now, let's play your first notes. Find middle C on the keyboard. It's often marked or is the C key closest to the center. Gently press individual keys to produce clear, distinct notes. Start with simple scales, such as the C major scale, playing each note slowly and deliberately. Focus on the sound quality and the evenness of your touch. This foundational practice builds finger strength and coordination. Consistent practice is key to progress. Aim for at least 15 to 20 minutes of dedicated practice each day. Use a metronome to develop a strong sense of rhythm and timing, which is crucial for playing in sync. As you gain confidence, explore simple melodies and devotional songs to expand your repertoire. Remember, patience and persistence are your best allies on this musical journey. Enjoy the process of learning and creating beautiful music.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.